Hey guys, Todd Ault here, Wall Street veteran, tiptoeing through the garden of opportunity like a bull in a china shop. Are you a leader? Do you dream of being a leader? Are you the type of person who can't wait to take control of any given situation? If you are that kind of person, then the most important thing you can do is learn to let go. That's right. Hand as much opportunity as you can to everyone that works for you.
I'm gonna need you to go ahead and come in tomorrow.
It sounds counterintuitive, doesn't it? But creating opportunities for your colleagues to succeed is one of the most important and rewarding opportunities as a leader. Larry Page, co-founder of Google, puts it this way: my job as a leader is to make sure that everyone at the company feels like they have wonderful opportunities and creating meaningful impact. Why, you ask? Because a leader can only be as successful as his weakest team. There's so many examples it trips me out. I can't tell you how many companies I've seen lose incredible, innovative ideas because they didn't know how to properly set their leaders and team up for success. So don't be a glory hog. Don't be that boss who we all hated, who never gave us the opportunity to show what we were always capable of. Be the leader that offers everyone in the company a great chance to have a meaningful impact and to see how far your business can grow. I've given you gold. Now run with it.